How to restart TikTok without deleting it. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how you can restart your TikTok without even deleting it. So if you're also looking on how we can do it, in this video, we are going to show you exactly how to do it. So let's just get started. But before that, I would like you to hit that like, share, and subscribe option and also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on our latest updates. So first thing, you can just directly head over to TikTok and log in into your account. And once you're logged in, you will be seeing this interface on your screen. So once you're here, just go ahead and tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen and you will be reaching to your profile page. Once here, go ahead and tap on this horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen and go ahead and click Settings and Privacy. Once this opens up on your screen, scroll down and look for the option called Free Up Space here. Just go ahead and tap on it. Once you're here, you will be finding Clear Cache. So what you're going to do is go ahead and tap on this Clear Cache and it will free up your space and also, kind of refresh your TikTok for now. Otherwise, what we can do is go ahead and close up your TikTok. And once you have closed your TikTok, go ahead and open up the main settings of your device. Go ahead and just open it up. Once you're here, scroll down and look for the section called Apps here. Go ahead and tap on it. And under Apps, go ahead and search for TikTok. And open up TikTok here. And once TikTok is opened up, you will be finding this on your page. So scroll down, go to Storage section, and clear the data and cache. So once you have cleared the data, it will automatically reset everything to the default settings like it was when it was first installed. So that is it. That is how you can restart TikTok without deleting it by following up this method if you are on an Android device. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.